Yo, what up YouTube reacts? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys. So right now, just to give you guys a heads up, this is being shot on the Sony ZV-E10 II. I am recording this in 30 frames per second at 4K. I am going to be doing this in 60. That's the reason why I brought the camera. It's just I got to get a new memory card and wait for that to come in the mail. So yeah, boys, just got to bear with that for the time being. So at no further ado, let's get to this unboxing. You already know the deal and how we do this. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox these shit. So I don't know what this one is, but we're going to cut through this thing just like that. And this one might be, yeah, this is for the camera, yeah. So this is a dummy battery for the camera. Anytime I buy cameras, I gotta buy dummy cameras so I can do my recordings without have to using the battery and stuff like that, because it basically just kills the battery real quick. So get that. You get the brick right here. I actually have to unplug my other one that I have for the my Panasonic Lumix camera, so I have to unplug that one and plug this one up. So that's going to go into its place. Get the nice little dummy battery right here. Like anytime I do the over top recordings, stuff like that, I do buy a lot of these right here for over the top unboxings like that. So this is going to be placed in two places. I'm going to be able to move this around left or right. So that's what that's going to be. So yeah. Let's get that out the way. So, dummy battery right here for the Sony ZV-E10. This is the FZ100. What is it? The FZ, or is it the NF-Z or the NF-100, NF-1000? What is the battery thing for this? I don't know the actual battery name for it. So give me 1 second so I can actually check out the battery name for it. So yeah, I was correct. This is the NP-FZ100 battery right here, dummy battery for the Sony ZV-E10 II. So that's this right here. Get my little screenshot in, and yeah, we're gonna take it to the next unboxing. All right, guys, that's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.